Hey, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and today we are here with a collaboration playing with nails. Our theme is summer butterflies. So here I've got my nails. What I did is I ombre'd vertically these two different polishes. One is number P351 by Beauty. The other is this Cornflower Blue by Nail Reserve. I do have a link and a code for them in the description box to check them out. I ombre'd them and then I sponged it. That looks kind of cool. I learned that little trick from, God, what's his name? I can't think of his name, and if I figure it out, I'll put it in the description box. To use a sponge. Chino? I think that was his name. I don't know. He's on Instagram. He's very well known. I've just recently acquired finding out about him. So we've got our bling nail done. We've got a thumbnail done, which we did a black stamping of the rose, the vine for the flowers, and we put butterflies around them. This is a butterfly manicure. It is the year of the butterflies in my book. So what we're going to do a sugar nail. So I'm going to get this one out of the way. I am going to be using a pink hollow sugar crush by She Modern. Everything I'm using is by She Modern pretty much. This is not a She Modern Saturday video, but I do love their products. If you've never been introduced to She Modern products, please go check out my She Modern Saturday videos. I am doing a giveaway currently for white and black sticky stamping polish. You can't go wrong. So check that out, USA only, because I am paying for shipping. So, on our middle finger, we are going to do, there's my pink into my blue. Can't get organized. I feel so discombobulated. Wipe off one side of your brush. I have got the blue and the pearl. I'm using all pearls. Whoops. All pearls. I got the blue pearl and the pink. Stay low. Oh, this is a beautiful pickup. I need to take off the excess. The stuff that I don't want on the nail. Oops. Now, unfortunately, what am I doing here? I may have to stamp this. Oh, goodness me, oh my. I may have to stamp this more than one time. Unfortunately, we got some long stiletto nails here. These nails are from brcnailstip6pieces.com. So go check out Brandy Ortiz BRC Nails. Go check out her website. I am a brand ambassador. My code is Cherie, baby, S-H-E-R-E-E. Not Sherry, Cherie, S-H-E. I'll just put it across the bottom of the screen. It's always in the description box along with my other discount codes. And there are quite a few. So, check that out. The stickies stay sticky for a while. All She Modern products are just wonderful. Let me get my blue and my pink again. It made it look purple. It's beautiful. Down in the comments, the first comment should be a pinned comment with a playlist of everybody who took part that did the video. So please go check that out. I know I'd appreciate if you went and gave everybody a viewing. I know they sure would. I'm taking the excess off the stamper that I do not want on the nail. Whoops. Whoopsie. Make sure you get it all. There you go. I think that turned out really beautiful. We're almost... I can't get this to stand up. There we go. Lint roller. Clean your stamper. Oh, this is my stamper from She Modern as well. My clear jelly stamper. Reinforced. Make sure you clean your plate. Where's my sugar? I need my sugar crush. I should have like a different container. We don't want to get this all over and mix it up with our stamping polish. Now this is going to cover the blue and I don't know how well, so we shall see. We'll put just a little bit more on. I love, love, love a sugar nail. It is a textured nail. It's like, I don't want to say it's like you're feeling sand. Very fine sandpaper. Very fine sand between your fingers. Whoops. Give it a quick blow. And put it back in the lamp. Whoops. So that is in the lamp. We are going to go in with our last and final nail. It's going to pull me some butterflies off this plate. This plate here, OMJ-04. I got this was like in a 6, 8, 10, 12 pack, something like that off Amazon. Watch out, they got some dupes in here from Big Bang Beauty. Exact same plate as I have. It's an Easter plate, I think. Easter, let me think about that. Springtime. I think it was a springtime plate. I can't remember. This plate here is STZN04, and this is all butterflies. This also came off of Amazon. So we're going to go in with a yellow, and we're going to get us some really pretty butterflies. Shoot. Yowza. Also remember, get your excess off your stamper, lint roller, tape, whatever you want to use. Well, yellow doesn't show up so slow. I don't know if you can see it. I can see it, but I'm not you and you're not me. Definitely want to do a peacock butterfly. And I'm dropping every single one. I'll do this fragmented one. It's like 3/4 of a butterfly. And it's like kind of trailing off, like it disappears. That came out beautifully. There we go. Lint roller on the stamper. Do a different cotton ball. I did pull out my cotton claw. I know I'm not using it. Oh my goodness. I don't even know what I lost. I'm gonna pause. I'll be right back. Okay, nothing went flying off the table. All nails are accounted for because I knocked over things, and you know me. Here is our sugar nail. I am going to give it a light buff off camera. Normally I don't buff them or brush them, but I don't know. I feel like it needs more sugar. More sugar, more sugar. So I am just putting more sugar on, tapping it off. I'm going to get my really fluffy brush here, my purple one, my fave. Camera doesn't want to catch up with me. So there is our sugar nail. So we're going to go on to a couple more butterflies. We got our peacock one here. This is yellow. How about an orange butterfly? Going in with the orange pearl. Orange pearl. Whoa, Nelly. I told you this stuff is sticky. Oh my goodness. Yep, this came off alright. Looking off my stamper real quick. My paper towel is sticky icky. Put on my fingers. So, I think we should call this a day. We're going to top coat with iGel Beauty No Cleanse Top Coat. It is my fave. We're going to top coat our summer butterfly nails. I think these came out beautiful. Just beautiful. Love this one here. I'm really a big fan of this one and this one. With the polish glide over, you don't have to worry about any smudging or smearing with gel. It's just a beautiful thing. If you're doing lacquer, they do say to put a water-based top coat down. Oh, these are just so pretty. So pretty. Let's take a gander at them. I think this manicure turned out really, really pretty. We're going to pop these in the lamp. Give them a cure. Don't forget, I've got the giveaway going on for the black and the white stick and stamping polish by She Modern. Let me clean my mat real quick. For new users only, it's going on from now till January. Subscribe to any She Modern Saturday video. Must be 18 years of age or older. And I think that's all. My cap. That's what went with the cap to my sugar. Oh, shoot. My black cap. Here are nails fresh out of the lamp, and you know I gotta touch them. I gotta touch my sugar nail. It's a textured nail, and I just love it. So let's take another look. I think this turned out really, really pretty. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your take on my manicure is. Leave me a few thoughts, constructive criticisms, some love. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell, that way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything important that may come across my desk. Well, we'll see you next month. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.